Okay, in this video we're going to show how to illustrate a weak entity using the DIA software for an ER diagram. I've gone ahead and created the weak entity called dependent with dependent name, gender, and date of birth. And I've also created the relationship that employee has dependent. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, we know that from our readings in the ER book that dependent, being a weak entity, should be shown with double lines. Well, we could have done this by just selecting the entity over here. It would automatically done that. But say you've already got the entity drawn and you forgot, so you can go and double click and just select weak, and it will update to that. The other thing though is we have a weak entity, we also have a weak relationship, and it's maybe not even as intuitive in DIA as it may seem, but if we double click on it, you'll see this attribute called identifying. If you click yes, then that actually creates the what we call is the weak relationship, or the identifying relationship to the weak entity. The last thing we do is, because all weak entities have full participation, we have to go back into the line and tell it that we want total participation. This is because in the case of a weak entity, we would not store a dependent in our database that does not belong to an employee, because an employee may or may not have any dependents. So anyway, that's how you illustrate weak entities using the DIA software, and we'll see you in the next video.